talk about what's going on outside. We have some drier air ushering in. Notice our wind coming out of the east-northeast. That's pumping in some lower humidity throughout the area. What I want you to do is look at this number here on the top of your screen. It even goes further down tomorrow, so that lower humidity really makes itself at home here as we round out the week. Even over the weekend, our wind is going to start to come out of the east, so we'll have that influence off the Atlantic Ocean, and that will slowly pump more moisture in, but we do have the potential for our humidity to stay at least fairly comfortable through the entire weekend before we go back to business as usual next week, and it feels more like summer with what we call our precipitable water. It measures the amount of moisture in the air going back above 2 inches. That's when you can kind of tell you're going back into that summer-like pattern. Once that number goes over 2, that's when our rain chances really start to go back up. So we will be a little more unsettled next week. So enjoy this while it lasts. Looks like we'll have a nice treat through the weekend. Satellite and radar will show you our front that brought us the rain yesterday, at least for some of us, now down to our south. We still have what I call side effects of this front across the area. We are dealing with partly to mostly cloudy skies from Tampa and areas north because we are closer to that front that's just trapping in moisture, hence all that rain down near the Florida Keys. Up along the Nature Coast, though, we're seeing tons of sunshine, and I do think we'll hold on to mostly sunny skies along the Nature Coast throughout the day. Still a beautiful sunrise, though. Look at these gorgeous cirrus clouds floating around in the sky, just taking advantage of that sun coming up, reflecting off these beautiful colors. Gorgeous start to your day. And for once, we can say it looks nice and it feels nice out there. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s inland, still closer to 70 in Tampa. In fact, we are at 70. I was waiting for that to drop to 69. If we manage to drop to 69 in Tampa, that'd be the first time that Tampa dropped to the upper 60s in June since 2016. Don't think we're going to make it there now. The sun is up. Obviously, our temperatures are only going to go up. 68 in Clearwater, 72 in Sarasota, 61 in Crystal River, 66 in Lakeland and in Bartow. Dew points in the upper 50s to low 60s. That is super comfortable. Just a really nice start to the day. As we go through the day today, we will watch for maybe a stray shower south of town. Closer to that front you are, not only we have more cloud cover, but the opportunity for maybe an isolated shower. It will be breezy today, gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour, so that will lead to some hazardous boating conditions today as well. Highs in the upper 80s, so it will be warm, but again, with that humidity low, it'll still feel nice. And overnight tonight, we'll wake back up in the low to mid 60s, inland and up to the Nature Coast, closer to 70 near the water, another comfy start. Weekend, warmer with highs in the low 90s, but that humidity again still stays lower on Saturday. Sunday, maybe a stray shower. It looks like a lot of that's going to set up inland and south of town, but if you do have any weekend plans, the forecast honestly looks great for it. We'll see tons of sunshine on Saturday, partly cloudy skies on Sunday. Our humidity again climbs early next week. Not going to be miserable, but enough to bring back rain chances, and it does look like we'll be unsettled going into next week with rain chances really picking up Tuesday and beyond. Here's a look at that marine forecast for you. Small craft advisory through 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Choppy on our bay and inland waters with seas 3 to 5 feet. So not the best boating day today. 7-day shows the warm and mostly dry weather through the weekend with comfy mornings, and then we'll increase those rain chances early to midweek next week.